Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. We wanted to make you aware of a couple of aggressive growth stock picks. At least Bill Wilton did. He's our aggressive growth stock strategist at Zacks.com. Try saying that 3 times fast. Culp Incorporated, CFI, the ticker symbol, makers of mattress bedding and upholstery fabrics, is one that you've written about recently.
Yeah, and they have both commercial and residential applications there. They recently reported back on June 16th, and it was a fantastic quarter for them. They saw sales hit the highest level in 3 years. So they're, finally all the way out of the economic recovery back to those pre-recession levels. Net income was up 11%. They also have a great earnings track record as far as beating expectations over the past 5 years. And they're also expanding into Europe. They now have an office in Poland. So, the things are going very well for them. Additionally, they're still a Zacks #1 rank, which is a strong buy. One thing that people might be alarmed, though, is there is expected to be an earnings contraction this year, with earnings coming off a little bit under what they were in the previous year, but the growth story here is moving forward. As long as we see those estimates continue to move higher, we don't necessarily need huge year-over-year growth rates. We just need that upward earnings momentum, and we're seeing that in Culp, and that should continue on into the future, which is where we'll end up seeing those big growth rates. Recently, they've had a lot of activity in their share price. You can see the previous smaller jump was based on the earnings news, and then just a few days ago, they saw a 10% jump, which was on huge volume. So there's a lot of buyers, a lot of people are interested in Culp right now. Okay.
Polypore International, PPO, the ticker. We've talked about this one before, right?
Yeah, every week we revisit an older stock and kind of catch back up with it. And since the last time I talked about Polypore, they've reported another earnings surprise. This is their 7th in the past 8 quarters, and this one came back on May 4th. They saw sales rise 28% in that period. It was a big earnings surprise for them, and management had some really bullish, comments to make. They're saying that they see the company right at the early stages of a very long-term cyclical growth trend. So things should be going well for them. Just to mention, they do make separation membranes and filters for things like batteries, but also used in the healthcare industry as well. So they've got a lot of different things going on. But that long-term growth trend has them still at a Zacks #1 rank here, and you can see just how sharply these estimates are rising. The forecasts are literally going off the chart. You can see this long-term trend. They've got the year-over-year growth and then sharp increases throughout the year. That's how you're really going to see some big appreciation in the share price for these aggressive growth companies.
All right. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
You can check out more stock picks on our website, Zacks.com. We put 4 new ones up there for you daily, 1 in each of the investing categories that we write about. Bill's included, aggressive growth. With Bill Wilton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.